Hello! So today I'm going to be showing you guys another point of view belt tying tutorial. It's going to be a slightly different way of tying your belt. You'll get a similar end result, but for me it's my preferred way to tie the belt because just something about tying it that way just really keeps it from coming undone. I know a lot of times when I'm training I really hate having to stop and retie and do all that stuff. I would rather have my lapels completely out of my belt and still have my belt tied than have to deal with it coming off and retying it all the time. And I noticed that it's kind of an inconvenience to your partner too, like if you're drilling or something like that and you have to keep retying your belt. I like to tie it this way and it looks really good in pictures. My favorite part about the way that this is tied is that the back doesn't have the straps crossed over. It's one solid piece and it looks really good. So here we go. Alright, so first thing that you want to do is take your gi top and fold it. Now you're going to take your black tab on your belt and you're going to put it onto your hip right here, okay? Now you're going to take the other end and wrap it around, overlaying where you wrapped before. So you have this one line, okay, and then you come all the way in front, okay? Now this is how long your tail is going to be. You want it to go about where your tag is in the middle, okay? You're going to take that, peel this open, and bring this through, going all the way underneath, okay? Now, you're going to take this part here, and this inside layer that's touching your physical body, you're going to shove down with your thumb and bring on the other side. So now you have this, you'll tighten that, and you'll bring the tails together, making sure they're even. Okay, now you're here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom tab, go in between here, and shove this in, creating a bit of a sandwich. Okay, now we're going to take this top one in, we're going to turn and loop it through. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to do the same thing where we peel apart and make that sandwich and tuck the belt into here. Okay, now we're going to give it a tighten